Being led in evidence, the prosecution witness identified the certified true copy of the letter written by the then Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, to the Department of State Service, directing it to investigate the defendant. The letter was tendered and admitted as an exhibit. The witness read the content of the letter from the Attorney General of the Federation, where he listed several alleged acts of terrorism against Nigeria. These acts include arson, kidnapping, killing of security personnel, and an attack on public infrastructure, among others. The letter alleged the leader of the proscribed IPOB of using the unlicensed Radio Biafra to instigate members of the public against the security personnel using unprintable names to describe Nigeria. The second prosecution witness, by name BBB, said it was the content of the letter that prompted the investigation. He told the court that upon his arrest, personnel of the DSS interacted with him for about an hour, asked him to write a statement which he declined, saying he had told them all they needed to hear. A statement form was thereafter given to him, carrying his details, which he signed. The statement was admitted in evidence and read to the hearing of everyone by the witness. The prosecution counsel proceeded to tender a flash drive containing audiovisual broadcast by the defendant. The drive was admitted in evidence, even though its admissibility was objected to by the defense counsel, Emeka Eteyaba, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. The prosecution counsel applied for the audiovisual flash drive containing the broadcast to be played, which was granted. In the broadcast, the defendant was seen giving a charge to members of the Eastern Security Network, urging them to protect and defend the lands of the Biafra against people who have been killing them. He decried the alleged killing of Biafra since the Civil War and vowed not to allow that again. In another broadcast streamed live, he was heard charging protesters to go after security personnel and attack public infrastructure. He instructed his followers to go after some prominent Nigerians in the corridor of power, with him placing ransom on one of them. The broadcast, where he ordered lockdown and closure of banks, churches and schools in the East, was also played in court. The federal government gazette proscribing IPOB was equally tendered and admitted in evidence. From the Federal High Court, Abuja, Austin Anyebe, NTA News.